As a member of the Bishop Elder team, I wanted to simply have a chance to share just a little bit about the upcoming Fall Leadership Assembly. The Fall Leadership Assembly is less than 2 weeks away on September 30th at East Petersburg Mennonite Church. And we wanted to make sure that all of you as credentialed leaders are aware both of the event and kind of what we are going to be doing during that time. Our focus, as we've titled that time, is Roots and Wings, and that really at the core is talking about our desire to stay rooted to our past and to the treasures that God has deposited among us within LMC and beyond, but also the wings to be able to move into the space and place that God's calling us to as a movement in this season. Our morning time together on the 30th of this month will be listening to the voices of younger leaders in the movement, spending time talking in table groups and processing that. And really at the core is really to be together, to be listening to the Spirit in that gathering. Of course, we'll start our time with worship. After the morning activities, we'll have a lunchtime together. And then in the afternoon, we're really moving into a time where there's an LMC vision and discernment process. We recognize that as a Bishop Elder team, yes, it is very true that there are things God's stirring in our heart, but to really find vision for the future, we need the input of every one of the credentialed leaders. And so we are inviting you to be a part of this either in person at East Petersburg or by Zoom, virtual. And there will be ways, even if you can't do either of those, to be able to give input in the process, because we really want to hear the voices of all the credentialed leaders within LMC. At the end of our day together, what we'll be doing is just pausing as a Spirit-led movement, saying, what did we hear the Spirit saying? And we recognize that we do that best in community, and particularly in this context as credentialed leaders, to listen to the Lord together. So I hope to see you all in a couple of weeks, and in that context for us to hear the Spirit in our midst. God bless you.